A habit is defined as a usual way of behaving, something that a person does often in a regular and repeated way. Although DNA is a major factor in determining our body type, healthy habits play a huge role as well. The healthy habits we choose to do every day add up and get us closer to our goals, and the habits we have that are not so healthy move us further away from them. Practicing healthy habits doesn't have to be hard. A few small tweaks to your daily routine is all you need to help kick your butt into gear. Most of us want to live a long, happy, successful, and healthy life. Unfortunately, we often take shortcuts with our health in our pursuit of success and happiness and end up suffering from several different ailments and disabilities that we could have avoided. Here are 10 healthy habits that can help you improve your physical and mental well being. 10 healthy habits. Number 10. Get more sleep. Sleep is an essential function that allows your body and mind to recharge, leaving you feeling refreshed when you wake up. Without enough sleep, the brain cannot function properly. This can impair our abilities to concentrate, think clearly, and process memories. Most adults require between 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night. Number 9. Exercise. Want to feel better, have more energy, and even add years to your life? Just exercise. The health benefits of regular exercise are hard to ignore. Everyone benefits from exercise, regardless of age, sex, or physical ability. Number 8. Diet. A healthy diet includes a variety of fruits and vegetables, whole grains and starches, good fats and lean proteins, as well as avoiding foods with high amounts of added salt and sugar. Dieting helps you to lose weight and maintain a healthy body weight, prevent stroke and heart disease, improves mood, reduce risk of stroke, as well as some cancers. If you become sick, eating a healthy diet may help you to recover more quickly. Number 7. Reading. Reading benefits both your physical and mental health. Reading builds your vocabulary, helps prevent age-related cognitive decline, reduces stress, prepares you for a good night's rest, helps alleviate depression symptoms, improves brain connectivity, lowers blood pressure and heart rate, and contributes to a longer life. The bottom line, the more you read, the healthier you become. Think about it like this. Reading gives muscle to your memory. Everything you read fills your head with new bits of information, and you never know when it might come in handy. Reading also builds stronger analytical thinking skills, improves focus and concentration, aids in better writing skills, brings about immersed inner peace and tranquility, enhances social skills, and boosts your intelligence. Number 6. Journaling. Journaling and/or expressive writing has been found to boost your mood, enhance your sense of well-being, reduce symptoms of depression, improve your working memory, manage stress, help you sleep better, deal with anxiety, and is an effective tool for reaching all kinds of goals and improving your quality of life. It also promotes and enhances your creativity, identifies thinking patterns, releases tension, boosts overall sense of gratitude, and makes you a better writer. Number 5. Meditation. Meditation is the habitual process of training your mind to focus and redirect your thoughts. Meditation can reduce anxiety, chronic pain, depression, heart disease, and high blood pressure. Meditation can be used to increase awareness of yourself and your surroundings. Many people use meditation as a way to reduce stress and develop concentration. People also use this practice to develop other beneficial habits and feelings such as a positive mood and outlook, self-discipline, healthy sleep patterns, and even increased pain tolerance. Some forms of meditation can lead to improved self-image, a more positive outlook on life, develop a stronger understanding of yourself, lengthens attention span, reduce age-related memory loss, improve sleep, and decrease blood pressure. Motivation is something everyone can do to improve their mental and emotional health. Number 4. Drink plenty of water. Water is an essential nutrient our body depends on for optimal health and fitness. It keeps us hydrated and assists with vital processes at every level of functioning in the human body. To function properly, all of the cells and organs of the body need water. Water lubricates the joints, forms saliva and mucus, delivers oxygen throughout the body, boosts skin health and beauty, cushions the brain, spinal cord, and other sensitive tissues, regulates body temperature, keeps the digestive system functioning properly, flushes body waste, maintains blood pressure, keeps airways open, makes minerals and nutrients accessible, prevents kidney damage, boosts performance during exercise, aids in weight loss, improves memory and mood, reduces sugar cravings, helps maintain a healthy weight, helps reduce headaches and migraines, helps prevent constipation in children and adults, helps to prevent kidney stones, reduce the risk of bladder infections, manage anxiety, and reduces belly bloat. Number 3. Walking. Walking can offer numerous health benefits, prevent certain diseases, and even prolong your life. Walking can help you burn calories, which can help you maintain or lose weight, strengthen the heart, lower your blood sugar, ease joint pain, boost immune function, increase energy levels, improve your mood, lower blood pressure, reduce stress, become more creative, boost metabolism, and increase bone density, just to name a few. It's no question walking is most definitely good for you. To get the benefits associated with walking, try to walk for at least 30 minutes. If it's too difficult to walk for 30 minutes at one time, try walking for 10 minutes 3 times a day, and gradually build up to longer sessions. Walking is the most popular aerobic activity and has one of the lowest injury rates of any form of exercise. Number 2. Meal prep. Meal prepping can help you shop smarter, cook ahead, save time, and reach your weight loss goals. Meal prepping tones down temptations, controls what you eat, cuts fast food from your diet, removes the stress of cooking, cuts down on dirty dishes, helps manage hunger, saves money, adds discipline to your dieting, and prevents or reduces the likelihood of overeating as well as poor nutritional choices. Meal prepping helps make it easier to eat healthy on a busy schedule. Number 1. Laugh. Laughter is contagious. It can bring people together and establish amazing connections. A life without laughter is really no life at all. Laughing is much more than just fun, it's good for your health. Research has shown that it can reduce stress, anxiety, and depression, elevate your mood, boost the immune system, lower blood pressure, work your abs, improve cardiac health, help with chronic pain, produce a general sense of well-being, relieve pain, stimulate your lungs, heart, and muscles, relieve tension and relax your muscles, decrease risk of heart attack, help with weight loss, strengthen relationships, burn calories, increase blood flow to the heart, and reduce inflammation. That's it for today's video, folks. Thank you for tuning in to Top Shelf Health. If you enjoyed today's video, go ahead and click that like button. Hey, don't forget to click that subscribe button as well and become a part of the Top Shelf Health family.